Welcome to Solar Depot Nigeria, your one-stop shop for renewable energy products and services. We are at Anwar-Ul Islam College, Agege, Lagos, Nigeria, to showcase one of our recently completed projects. This project is funded by the USA chapter of Anwar-Ul Islam College, Agege Old Students Association, ACAUSA. Knowing fully well that power is a key factor in providing a conducive learning environment for the students, the ACAUSA decided to give back to their alma mater by funding the installation of a solar hybrid power system. A site assessment was carried out to determine the energy needs of the school and to determine the sections and facilities that should be prioritized. It was then decided that the required system should power the following: the admin building, the principal's office, the hostel lights and fans, the clinic, the library, the computer room, and others. The project was divided into 3 phases. The project began over 3 years ago, and phase 1 was completed successfully. The installed equipment includes 54 pieces of 255 watts Trina solar panels, combiner boxes, and so on. Phase 2 of the project commenced in earnest, but it had to be altered until a few months back when we were deployed to resume the project. After mobilization, we submitted a proposal to upgrade the system to match newer industry trends and provide more features. The upgrade would involve using the following: a 10 kVA Victron Inverter, 3 units of 250 volts 85 amps Victron Smart Solar MPPT charge controllers, a color control GX, an internet router, amidst other accessories. The following are the advantages of the proposed upgrade. The inverter has 2 AC input and 2 AC outputs. Ability to monitor the system's performance remotely from anywhere in the world. Ability to remotely troubleshoot and correct issues that might come up. A demo system. An interactive color control GX device that makes it possible to visualize the performance of all key system components, including the charge controllers, inverter, and batteries. The upgrade was approved and Solar Depot's technical team was set to work. The initial system installed was pulled down, and we decided to paint our workspace, as this would give our work a good outlook at completion. We then started our marking out and installation of the equipment. Phase 3 of the project then kicked in, and this involved the installation of the batteries. We used 24 units of 2 volts 1500 amp hour Thundervolt OPzV batteries. OPzV batteries offer the highest cycle life among other lead-acid batteries and are suitable for industrial setups. For more information about OPzV batteries, watch one of our previous installation videos where they were used. The link is in the description. It is important to take note of the technical specifications of your batteries and use the information to program your system. This could be the difference between the longevity or the premature failure of your batteries. All wirings were done and the 3rd phase of the project completed. As evidenced by our decision to propose an upgrade to the client on the earlier agreed system, Solar Depot is a dynamic company, constantly evolving and improving our products and methodologies to match global trends and emerging technologies. We always strive to outdo ourselves when it comes to the quality of products and service delivery. The system was then tested and commissioned with representatives of the ACAUSA in attendance. This is what they have to say about the project.
My name is Anwar-Ul. I am one of the Old Students Association members. I'm one of the members of the Old Students Association, ACAUSA. It's fantastic and lots of kudos to the leadership of Dr. Agege, current president of Council of USA, and his entire membership. Of course, we also in Nigeria rely on that as well.
My name is Anwar-Ul, the National General Secretary of Council. I'm very happy to be part of this event today that we are doing a mini commissioning of this solar system. The importance of this solar system cannot be overemphasized, knowing that the challenge of the power, what it is to Nigeria today, particularly in school of nature, whereby the students they will need the power to their study in the school, during library period, and sometimes maybe when they are in the dormitory they want to do one or two things. So this solar system will be of help to both the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and the students.
Good afternoon. My employers and those people that God has put it in their mind to do this wonderful work with solar labor. Since we don't have any issue, good job from their end, always, anywhere. And then we try as much as possible to work along with them hand in glove to sustain the good work that they have done. We thank God for Agege and the whole student of Anwar-Ul Islam College, both home and abroad, who has put it in mind to do this wonderful humanity work for their alma mater. It's a great work, and we thank God for commissioning it to be, flagging it off. It's a good job, and we thank God that we pray that the students, the community to which it is intended, we use it well, and we have more to come, even from Agege, both USA or Nigeria here. Thank you very much.
Are you interested in a system like this? Please call the numbers on your screen. Do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.